Hi, Kieran. Hi. Hi. Whoa, nice big jump. Yeah. You checking your brother out? Hi.
Hi, boy.
Hey, sorry, could you let go of his foot? Soren. Soren?
I like that picture.
I don't want that picture. Can you let it... Because Kieran can't jump when you hold his foot. See, you should be careful. If you hold his foot, he might pull your hair. All right, now you come here, Soren, and you can look at the video too. You can look at the movie too. Yeah, come right here and you can see it. See it? Hi, Kieran. Good big jumping.
Can I see up to my eyes?
No, you have to sit up. You're looking at the screen. I can't move the screen. Hi. Oh, good jumping. Let's do a close-up on your feet. I'll go back and see the whole baby.
Doesn't really look good in that picture. His head isn't there.
Hi.
His head isn't there, Mommy.
His head is right there. You don't see his head?
I don't.
Well, trust me, it's still there. Well, now he sounds like he's just shouting. We better take him out, huh? Hi!
Shout, shout, shout!
No, I don't want him to shout. Oh, now he's smiling. Hi! Soren, please.
Can I see a picture?
I know, but I don't want you to move the camera when we're trying to see the picture. Hi.
I just moved myself.